So hello coders. In the previous video we have talked about the app styles, right? So in app styles we have our custom app styles in our application. So in this video we are going to talk about the custom app colors in our Flutter application, and later on we are going to integrate into our app styles for this text. So let me create simply first create a where it is app style, right here it is. Let me create something like app uh, colors dot right. Let me create app color, right. So similarly we need to create now app color, like we have created the app styles in the previous video. So it's nothing, we don't have any mm, we don't have any constructor calling here, so I will just make it a empty constructor. So here I will define something like static let me color right, like let's see the primary color for our application. Okay, so we need to import here a material. Okay, so here probably I will give a hex code which is, so basically okay, 0, for this testing purpose. Okay, probably this, let me see any hex code. Okay, I have uh, 0xff 0D1116. So this is a black color or something like gray, or we can also define more colors, like if we have a primary, so here is, we can say like text gray. Oh no, let me don't write here. So write like a gray, so we can write here hmm, colors dot gray, right. So most probably these two colors, so there might be a more color like red. Okay, so yeah, there is a you can take your choice. So if you want to write a hex code, you can write it in a hex code, or you can write your like material color directly. So this is our app colors. So I have just defined here three app colors. It's up to you, you can define more than 100 or 200 colors according to your need, right. So let me go inside my home page, or something like main dot. So I mistakenly forgot what's what. Okay, app style tutorial. Okay, you can find here is a, this is a text, right. So like I have a method here copy with, where color is equal to app colors dot okay, gray. So if I hot reload, you can see the color of my text have been changed. So app styles is basically, I have another video, in a previous video I have taught you how to make app styles. So here I have a copy with method. This can be lengthy in every, if I started copying this copy with in every text in the entire application, this may be a handy method. So for the sake of this, I will create here inside our leaf folder a folder name extension. So I will create here a file called typography extension dot. So let me see how I can change the whole line, this copy with method, into a single word. So basically I will create here a extension which I will give a name of typography extension. So in what I have to put this extension, so on text style. Okay, I want to keep the extension on text style. So first of all, I will define one text style where I want to get primary. I will create a getter and give an arrow function, and I will write a method called copy with color app colors dot primary color. Okay, now this is a method, a getter method, in which I will call inside my app styles. I want to call that I want to call this primary. So let me define a proper name, primary color. So if I call this primary color inside a text style, let me import. You can see here the copy with method have been replaced by the primary color. You can see here I have created a getter inside the extension. So now we have a choice. We can create as much as you can colors. So this is just on the text style. So I don't want to write every time a copy with method. So instead of writing a copy with method, I have created a typography extension. So let me show you another example here. If I have a container of height 100 and width 100. So if I want to give a color here, in the beginning method, we have to write here colors dot array, something like this. So what does this do is it will create a instance of a red color in a Flutter application. So instead of doing creating a instance in every container, we will just simply call our app colors dot red, which have a stored value of red inside a variable. So we don't have to initialize every time we need to change the color of anything in our application, just like a primary or anything. Okay, have you got it right? So primary color here. So let's get an overview of our application. So in the previous video we have talked about the app styles, right? So in app styles we have created a custom app style for our Flutter application for the sake of the text or something like text. So after getting the app styles, I have created a file called app colors in which most of the colors needed for an application should be enlisted inside this class, right? So you can give your number for a particular name, red color or something like that. So all the necessary colors need to be updated inside the app colors. So after that, for the use case of text inside a text, rather than writing a copy with creating a copy with method, we have created an extension of typography extension which will be used for the text style. So after getting this, we will write here another. After getting primary color, like something like we can give a name here, text red. So copy with, so the colors are coming from the app colors, so red. It's as simply as that. Instead of, we can also get here colors dot red, right? It is only initializing the red color, right? So instead of this we are calling app colors. So this is a custom app style for the application. So hope you like this video. In the upcoming video, we'll be going to talk about the in-app web view, which is gonna be a custom app view for our Flutter application. So how is this video? Let's comment. This may be very useful for our application. So it's probably the